Next question. If U equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and A set is equal to B, D, F, H and B set is equal to A, D, E, H, find the following sets. A dash, then B dash, then A dash union B dash, then A dash intersection B dash, then A union B the whole dash, then A intersection B the whole dash, then A dash the whole dash and B dash the whole dash. First let us find A dash. The formula is U minus A. So first we have to write the universal set. What are the elements in the universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus A set B, D, F, H. Now we have to cancel the common element. B cancel, then D cancel, then F cancel, then H. Then we write the elements in the first set, remaining elements. What are the elements? A, C, E, then G. A, C, E and G. Next we have B dash. B dash also U minus B. First write the universal set. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus B set A, D, E, H. Here also we cancel the common element. A, then D, then E, then H. So what are the elements in the first set? B, C, F, then G. B, C, F, G. Next we have to find out A dash union B dash. What are the elements in the A dash set? A, already we find out A, C, E, G. Union B dash. B dash means B, C, F, G equal to, now you have to find the union of these two sets. What are the elements? A, B, C, E, F, then G. This is the A dash union B dash elements. Next we have A dash intersection B dash. A dash means A, C, E, G. Intersection B dash means B, C, F, G. Now what are the common element? C is the common element. Then G is the common element. So you write C, G. Next we have to find out A union B the whole dash. The formula is U minus A union B. For that, first we have to find out A union B. So A union B is equal to A set is B, D, F, H. Union B set is A, D, E, H. Write all the elements. A, B, D, then E, F, H. So A, B, D, E, F, H are the elements of A union B. Next you have to find out A union B the whole dash. That means U minus A union B. What is the elements of universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now what are the elements of A union B? A, B, D, E, F, H. Now we have to cancel the common element. A cancel, B cancel, then D cancel, E cancel, F cancel, then H cancel. So only elements are C and G. So C comma G are the elements of A union B the whole dash. Next we have A intersection B the whole dash. So A intersection B the whole dash is equal to U minus A intersection B. Here also first we have to find out A intersection B. So what is A set? B, D, F, H. Intersection B set is A, D, E, H. Here what are the common elements? D and H. So we write A intersection B is equal to D comma H. Next we have find out A intersection B the whole dash equal to U minus A intersection B. So universal set U equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus A intersection B is D comma H. So we can cancel the common element D and H. So what are the remaining elements? Equal to A, B, C, E, F, then G are the elements of A intersection B the whole dash. Next one is A dash the whole dash. A dash the whole dash is equal to U minus A dash. What are the elements of U set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus A dash. Already we find A dash set. A, C, E, G. Here also we have to cancel the common element. A, then C, then E, then G. Now you write the elements in the first set. What are the elements? B, D, F, then H. Next we have B dash the whole dash. B dash the whole dash is equal to U minus B dash. What are the elements of U set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus B dash. We already find B dash. B, C, F, G. So here also we have to cancel. B cancel, C cancel, then F cancel, then G cancel. So what are the remaining elements? A, D, E, then H. They are the elements of B dash the whole dash.